Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a list of best cryptocurrency affiliate program that you can actually jump on now, then start promoting to make affiliate income in cryptocurrency. So if you've been looking to start making income in cryptocurrency now, this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you, because when you start promoting this cryptocurrency affiliate program, you're going to be getting paid in cryptocurrency. All right. So I'm going to be listing the best, the one I've personally promoted myself, the one I have a good experience with. So these are ones you can actually promote and start making good income with. All right. So if this is something you like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right. So without any further ado, let's get started.
All right, so number one on the list is Binance affiliate program. So I'm sure Binance is very popular and most of us know Binance Exchange. So here it says join Binance affiliate program, monetize your traffic and earn crypto commission when you share Binance with your audience. Content creator, influencer and platform can earn commission and special reward on every trade across Binance Spot, futures, margin trading, or even Binance Pool. So how does it work? Sign up to become an affiliate, create your affiliate link, create and share your affiliate link, then earn up to 50% commission on every fee they charge for trading on Binance Exchange. So what are the requirements? It says, okay, so this is the breakdown of how much you're actually going to be earning when you start promoting Binance. So for spot commission, you're going to earn up to 50% for spot commission. So when it comes to futures trading on Binance, you're going to earn 30% commission, and for Binance Pool commission, you're going to earn 30%. For NFT commission, you're going to earn 20% commission. That is, if you refer people to buy NFT on Binance, you're going to earn 20% commission on the sale. So for liquid swap commission, you're going to earn 15% commission, and for dual investment commission, you're going to earn 3% commission. So sign up bonus package. So you can also share 50%. You can also share $50 sign up bonus for everybody that sign up with your affiliate links. That is, if you want to refer people to sign up on Binance, when they sign up through your affiliate link, they can also earn $50 sign up bonus when they use your affiliate links. So these are the requirements. So must have more than 5,000 followers on social media or more than 500 members in a trading community. So eligibility: only eligible user can participate after submitting an application. All right. So this is basically everything you need to know when it comes to promoting Binance as an affiliate. So basically, you're going to be making 50% commission on every trading fee for every user you refer to the Binance affiliate program. So second on the list is Coinbase Exchange. So you could also promote Coinbase as an affiliate, then earn your affiliate commission on every referral you bring to the platform. So it says become a Coinbase affiliate. Help us introduce the world to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the new financial system. So this is how it works. After your application is approved, you get access to promotional assets and impact tracking software. So this means if you want to promote Coinbase as an affiliate, you have to apply as an affiliate on Impact Radius. So it says link to Coinbase in your article, create new content, or place ads on your website. So when a customer joins Coinbase through your promotion, you could earn a commission. So it says you could also get paid locally, that is, get compensated in your local currency no matter where you live. So this means when you start promoting Coinbase as an affiliate, you could also get paid in your local currency. It says receive 50% of your referral trading fee for the first 3 months, then get paid electronically. Get paid electronically via PayPal or your bank account. So you could also receive your affiliate payments through PayPal or receive them through your local currency directly to your local bank account. So third on the list is Cocoin affiliate program. So as you can see here, it says invite friends to trade on Cocoin to earn 40% of the trading fee as a commission. But when the friends you refer to Cocoin also becomes a Cocoin affiliate, you will receive second level commission. Okay, so it says anyone with a community, media, and other resources can apply to become a Cocoin affiliate. Share your referral link to your community, followers, and other channel. So new users who register and trade via your referral link will earn you a commission. So how much commission can you earn on Cocoin as an affiliate? So it says invite people to trade on Cocoin to earn 40% of their trading fee as the commission you earn for referring them. Then when your invitee becomes a Cocoin affiliate, you will receive 5% of their referral bonus. So this means when you refer people to Cocoin as an affiliate, when they start trading on Cocoin, you are going to earn 40% of their trading fee. But those people that you refer to Cocoin, when they sign up as an affiliate also, you also earn 5% commission from their affiliate commission. So this means you're also going to be earning 5% commission from your downline that start promoting Cocoin as an affiliate. So fourth on the list is the Huobi Global crypto exchange platform. So you could also refer people to start trading on Huobi, then make your affiliate commission. So as it says here, it says refer and earn up to $80,000 on a monthly basis. So it says one of the Huobi Global big attraction is our refer and earn program, which is designed to give our users the highest lifetime payout. The baseline reward for referring a friend to Huobi is 30%. So this means that for everyone you refer to start trading on Huobi exchange platform, you're going to be making 30% commission on their trading fee. So it says 30% of all their transaction fee for 2 years. That is, you can make this 30% commission for as long they keep trading on Huobi exchange for 2 years. So it says anyone can qualify, but users who have a strong social clout can even earn more. So this means there's no strange requirement compared to other platforms like Binance that asks you to have up to 5,000 followers before you can start promoting them. So for Huobi, if you don't have any follower, you could easily sign up and start promoting the platform to make your affiliate commission. So it says refer and earn pays you for the real value you contribute to our community and our exchange. Huobi Global Direct Commission means you will keep earning as long as your referrer keeps trading on the platform. So this means that for everyone you refer to the platform, you will keep making your 30% commission on all of their trading fee so far they stay on the platform for a maximum of 2 years. So this means you're going to be earning 30% commission, recurring commission for every user you bring to the platform that keeps trading for a maximum of 2 years. So finally on the list is Kraken Exchange. So you could also promote Kraken as an affiliate to make affiliate commission from every referral you bring to the platform. So it says the payout is 20% of the trading fee collected from clients you refer to the platform, and you get to earn this 20% commission for a lifetime. So this is not like 2 years compared to Huobi affiliate programs that gives you the opportunity to make 30% recurring commission for 2 years. But when it comes to Kraken, you can make 20%. You can make 20% affiliate commission from every people you bring to the platform for a lifetime. So it says you can make up to $1,000 per referral. So it says the trading fee calculation includes spot trading fee, margin opening fee, margin rollover fee. So payouts are paid directly to your bank account instead of an exchange account. So this means that you can get paid in your local currency. So finally, it says payout by bank transfer. You will receive the payment in your bank account by the default currency you set up when you create an account with them. So what are the affiliate requirements? So it says social media influencer must have a minimum of 5,000 followers or subscribers. So it says non-finance or crypto related social media accounts are allowed. So it says website and mobile apps must be finance and crypto related, no requirement with traffic volume. Facebook groups or pages must have a minimum of 5,000 followers and be finance or crypto related. So online shopping sites and general purpose sites such as new publication with finance or crypto section are acceptable. So this is everything about the Kraken affiliate requirements. Alright, so to sign up, all you simply need to do, just click here to become an affiliate, and you'll be able to sign up as an affiliate for Kraken Exchange. Alright, so these are my list of the best cryptocurrency affiliate program that you can sign up with, then start promoting them to earn serious commission. Alright, so if you have the follower, okay, so all you simply need to do, just sign up with any of this affiliate program or sign up with all of them and promote them to your audience and make serious income with crypto affiliate program. Alright, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.